the garage. Guess I'm gonna land back out. Got all the tiles down. I should have leveled the rocks, but I didn't. But it feels a lot better to walk on than the gravel. So, with that being said, today we're pulling off the fender and both doors, and we're going to get ready to trim out everything. Went to Harbor Freight this morning. I bought 2 more stands so we can put the doors and the fender on there. So let's pull it in. Let's do that. Okay, so the goal is, since the fender's off, I gotta take all everything off anyway. The goal is, when it was hit back here, it pushed either the rear hinges or the front hinges. But the gap here, from fender to door, is not good. But also, so is this gap, compared to that. So, we're gonna knock these hinges in, try to fill that gap in just 2 millimeters, and that should make the gap here look a whole lot better. Mind you, all this is going to be mostly time-lapse because I'm listening to music and I'm going to get copyrighted, so here we go. So we got both doors off, the fender off, and that means we can go ahead and start tearing both these doors down, and we can take off, on the car we can take off stickers. Doors tore down, got all the glass out over there, the little quarter glass here, back window out with the quarter glass out. So now these are done. I'm gonna keep all the guts in it because I'm not gonna paint the whole door because the door panel comes up. See these here? Hole here, hole here, hole here. So we're gonna run a line right on the inside and paper it up, but we also gotta paint all that. And now we're gonna move on to this. We're not gonna take the hinges off. The hinges are gonna go yellow. We're gonna take stickers off. We're gonna take that seal off and take the latch points off. And the door where your light comes on, this one's already off. So let's do that now. Alright, so we got the doors off, we got the stickers off. I can't get this off right here because it keeps bending on my screwdrivers, no big deal. So I think today we'll call it quits because I don't have any sandpaper to sand the door jamb, and I need to get some paper to paper up the car so we're not getting overspray on everything. But in the meantime, I might Scotch-Brite the inside the doors, get those ready. But if anything, I think today was pretty productive. It don't look like we did much, but we laid the floor out. Oh gosh. We laid the floor out. We got the doors off, got the fender off, and we got doors tore down, no windows in there. So everything is ready pretty much to get in. Prep? Primer? Not primer. What the hell am I talking about? Yeah. So, thanks for tuning in. Next video you'll see will be us getting paint on doors and the door jamb. So soon enough this will be painted, and honestly I can't wait. I'm excited. If you watched the last video, I asked if y'all guessed the color. Nobody guessed it, so what do y'all think it is? Anyway, thanks for watching. I will see y'all next week, hopefully with some paint, and then y'all finally get to see the color. So stick around till then. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.